Have you ever wondered what the next big thing in action cameras will be? Because if you think GoPro still holds the crown, you might want to think again. Something powerful, sleek, and incredibly smart is coming. And it's called the DJI Osmo Action. 6 DJI has been quietly working behind the scenes, and now the leaks are just too big to ignore. The Osmo Action 6 isn't just another upgrade. It's looking like a complete game changer for action camera lovers, vloggers, adventurers, and anyone who wants to capture life at its wildest. So today, we're diving deep into everything that's leaked, rumored, and hinted about this upcoming beast, from its insane new sensor to the mind-blowing battery life, smartwatch integration, waterproof design, and possible release date. Trust me, this one is worth watching till the end because if these leaks are true, GoPro should be very, very worried. Let's start with what's getting everyone hyped, the camera sensor. Rumors suggest that DJI might be putting a massive 1-inch or 1.1-inch sensor inside the Osmo Action 6. That's a huge deal. In fact, it's something we usually see in premium compact cameras or even some professional drones, not tiny action cams. What does that mean for you? Sharper detail, richer colors, and most importantly, amazing low-light performance. Imagine capturing a sunset, a night trail ride, or underwater dive with crystal clarity, without all that ugly noise. If this sensor rumor is true, DJI could deliver the most cinematic action camera footage ever seen. Now, about that lens, reports are suggesting a variable aperture lens ranging between f2.0 and f4.0. If you know cameras, you know how big this is. It means you'll have flexibility like never before. Shooting under bright sunlight? Stop down to f4.0 for crisp detail. Filming in dark caves or at dusk? Open up to f2.0 and let that light flood in. No other action cam in the market offers this level of control. DJI seems to be turning a simple point-and-shoot device into a creative filmmaking tool. But wait till you hear this. 8K video recording. Yes, you heard that right. Leaks are suggesting that the Osmo Action 6 could record 8K video at 30 frames per second. That's 4 times more detail than 4K, which means your footage can look sharper, more lifelike, and future-proof for years to come. Whether you're shooting your next YouTube vlog, a travel adventure, or just some epic mountain biking footage, 8K gives you the freedom to crop, zoom, or stabilize without losing quality. DJI is clearly aiming for creators who want that extra cinematic punch. And speaking of stabilization, DJI's RockSteady technology is getting yet another upgrade. The Osmo Action 6 might come with RockSteady 4.0, promising even smoother, more fluid footage, even if you're running, jumping, or hanging from a moving car. Combine that with horizon balancing and gyro-based correction, and you're looking at buttery smooth video that looks like it was shot on a gimbal, without actually using one. For creators on the go, this could be the difference between amateur-looking clips and professional-level production. But it's not just about visuals. DJI knows that endurance matters. That's why the battery leaks are making waves. Some sources claim up to 4 hours of recording time on a single charge. Think about that. 4 hours of continuous shooting in 4K without swapping batteries. Even if real-world performance lands around 2 to 3 hours, that's still miles ahead of what most competitors offer. This isn't just a battery, it's freedom. Freedom to hike, surf, ride, or ski without constantly worrying about your power running out. Now let's talk about something truly futuristic: smartwatch integration. Leaks hint that the Osmo Action 6 could connect directly to smartwatches like the Apple Watch or Garmin devices. You could control recording, switch modes, and even overlay real-time data like your speed, altitude, or heart rate right onto your footage. Imagine a biking clip that shows your heart rate spiking as you climb a hill, or a skiing video with your exact GPS route on screen. That's storytelling on another level. DJI isn't just selling a camera. They're creating a full data-rich experience for action lovers and athletes. And of course, DJI is keeping its trademark toughness. The Action 6 is rumored to be waterproof up to 20 meters without needing an extra case. That means no bulky housings, no foggy lenses, just grab it and dive. For divers, swimmers, or anyone shooting in unpredictable environments, this is a big win. DJI's already proven their build quality in the Action 4 and Action 5 series, but if the leaks are right, this time the frame will be tougher, the seal stronger, and the grip redesigned for better handling even when wet. Now, the leaked promotional images show the Osmo Action 6 mounted on motorcycle handlebars, hinting that DJI is targeting extreme sports creators more than ever before. The camera looks slightly thicker than the Action 4, but has a new textured design that feels premium and rugged. The front and rear screens are still there, touch-enabled, bright, and super responsive even under sunlight. That dual-screen setup means vloggers can easily frame shots without guesswork. And here's the big question everyone's asking. When is it coming? According to multiple leak sources, DJI is gearing up for a late October or early November 2025 launch, which means we're just around the corner. If we go by DJI's typical release cycle, they might officially unveil it with their signature teaser campaign, short cryptic videos, countdowns, and sneak peek visuals that drive everyone crazy. Expect pre-orders to open shortly after, with deliveries starting before the holiday season. Perfect timing for gift buyers and travel vloggers planning their winter adventures. Now let's address pricing. Some early listings hint at a starting price of around $329, but that's almost too good to be true. Considering the rumored 1-inch sensor, 8K video, and upgraded stabilization, most experts expect the price to land closer to $399 or even $449. But if DJI can deliver these specs under $400, they'll dominate the action camera space overnight. Because right now, GoPro's latest models are struggling to justify their prices, and users are already switching to DJI for better quality, battery life, and value. But here's what makes the Osmo Action 6 really special. It's not just a camera. It's a statement. DJI wants to redefine what an action camera can do. They're blending professional-level image quality with rugged, go-anywhere usability. They're giving creators control, endurance, and creativity all in one compact package. Whether you're a YouTuber, a filmmaker, a traveler, or someone who just loves recording your adventures, this camera could change how you capture the world. Of course, these are all leaks for now, and until DJI makes it official, we can't confirm anything. But when you look at how accurate the previous Osmo Action 5 leaks were, there's a good chance much of this will turn out to be true. And even if only half of these features make it to the final product, it'll still be one of the most advanced and exciting action cameras of the decade. So here's the bottom line. The DJI Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be a powerhouse. With a larger sensor, variable aperture lens, 8K recording, upgraded stabilization, smartwatch integration, and killer battery life, it's set to push the boundaries of what's possible in a tiny, tough camera. DJI isn't just catching up with GoPro, they're setting a new standard. If you're planning to upgrade your gear this year, this might just be the one to wait for. Keep your eyes open for DJI's official teaser in the coming weeks, because if the leaks line up, we could be witnessing the start of a whole new era in action filmmaking. And when it finally drops, you can bet it'll be everywhere, from mountain bikes to surfboards to skydiving helmets. The Osmo Action 6 is not coming quietly, it's coming to dominate. So what do you think? Will DJI crush GoPro this time, or will GoPro fight back with something unexpected? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. And if you love exploring the latest leaks, rumors, and tech updates before anyone else, hit that subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. DJI's next move could change everything.